Hey, this is Cody Snoring too.
I like how you really just open that.
You need to quit freaking out. I ain't got one.
I got it ready. That's some nasty shit. Look up in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the white whale. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Children, don't be scared.
Oh.
It's only Cody.
Let's go see Brittany.
She's not there. Remember we got to the party. Yeah. No.
Yeah, I was down, but that's not the point. If she wasn't 16, she was 8.
Oh my god, he's already wet. Look at that. He's sweating in bed. He's hot. Look at that. He's sweating. Look at that. That's some nasty shit. I'm a princess, motherfucker!
I didn't think he was going to call me back. I just called him. He's going to call me back, and then we'll be considered.
Yeah, you got it. I was happy about it.